Soundtrip. A taste of a unique kind of playlist. Monster. RX 93.1.
Shake Shack teams up with Arc Spirits by Full Circle Distillers for Shack Sounds, June 17 at Central Square BGC and June 24th at SM Mega Mall. Enjoy live music and shacked up flavor with Shack Alkalades, boozy lemonades mixed with Arc's award-winning Filipino gin, Arc Botanical Gin, and Arc Lava Rock Vodka. Don't miss happy hour. Buy one, take one on boozy lemonades. Plus, score exclusive deals on Arc Distillery Tours. Good vibes, great music, and boozy lifts only at Shack Sounds.
Soundtrip on the Monster.
A classic from EXO, a song called Call Me Baby here on today's Best Music Magic 89.9. Welcome to the third and final hour of the show. It is World Pop, the best of Southeast Asian pop tracks, or Asian pop tracks in general, for one whole hour. That is from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock. So if you guys have any requests, make sure to send them over at playback.tv/magic899 or at magic899 everywhere. At _Told the Cruise for me. But that last song was brought to us by Sprite. Cool ka lang, mainit ang summer. Refresh ka muna with Sprite. Now from Korea, we fly to Japan for this next artist called XG. In case you guys aren't familiar, if you know, you know, on the Magic
9. Cool ka lang. Mainit ang summer? Refresh ka muna with Sprite. The summer reminder is brought to you by Sprite.
HWPL together with Magic 89.9 invite you to be part of a global movement for peace. By becoming a member, you can contribute to building a world free from war and conflict. Support peace initiatives like peace education, interfaith harmony, and peace legislation. Take the first step towards a more peaceful world. Be a member now. Visit our Facebook page, HWPL Philippines, for more details. Everything's magic when we are one.
Drive Time will be more exciting as Friday Madness combines the 80s and the 90s.
Friday Madness.
Yesterday's hits today.
Alright, stop. Alright, stop.
Friday Madness.
They don't make music like they used to.
Everybody talk about pop music. For every situation.
Friday Madness. It's Total Recall. Weekends on Magic 89.9.
Next on RBO.
A woman's parish wishes to attempt a solemn sacrament. You mean an exorcism?
The most documented exorcism in American history. The exorcism of Anna Uckland occurred over several months.
She is touched by something otherworldly.
Starring Academy Award winner Al Pacino.
What if what she really needs is a doctor?
We are paying a price for your lack of faith.
Magic 89.9 SM Cinemas and Pioneer Films invite you to the special advanced screening of The Ritual. Win tickets online at magic899.com or on Facebook.
By your holy resurrection,
deliver us, O Lord.
What you are doing is failing. The sisters are traumatizing.
The Ritual on June 9, 7 p.m. at SM Mega Mall Cinema 2.
Look at the light, Emma! See the cross of the Lord!
You must have faith.
Emma?
Ilayom nos traes.
The Ritual, only in theaters June 11.
This week on the Magic Pop 10 in 60 seconds. 10.
Oh, hi. I want to take you on a little ride.
9.
But girls told me take it slow, but they don't.
8.
Let me tell you, babe, I'm not an angel. Sometimes I fight.
7.
When we were young and dumb, we knew everything. 2002.
6.
Said I didn't want to go on a trip, but it looks like
5.
oh, this magic's burning like a fire inside.
4.
Stop on again.
3.
Howdy, howdy, this ain't just a hobby, I'm legit.
2.
I really thought I made up my mind.
1.
Now I know what you hiding for, what you pretended. It's funny how people can be so.
Vote for your favorite songs in real time at www.magic899.com. The Magic Pop 10 in 60 seconds.
Believe in the magic.
Magic 89.9 is bringing back the fun in radio.
And we promise you the best radio experience this year.
On air, online, and everywhere.
I believe in the magic.
Fun at the concert.
At the movies.
Fun under the sun.
At school.
And more parties. The fun never stops at the magic.
I believe in the magic.
I believe in the magic.
Today's best music, Magic 89.9.
I believe in the magic. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome your hosts with the most. Slick, Tony, Gino, and 10. Boys Night Out. We are finally here, finally awakened.
It's alive, it's alive, it's alive!
Jam 88.3.
Star FM. Star FM.
Radio.
Ito ang Bombo Radio Philippines. Fully digitalized. Numero 1 sa balita, komentaryo, drama at serbisyo publiko. Bombo Radio Philippines. Bombo Radio Philippines. Ang inyong #1 at most trusted radio network in the country.
Basta Radio Bombo.
This is Bombo Network News Evening Edition, broadcasting live at Bombo Radio Broadcast Center, Makati City, Philippines.
Araw ho ngayon ng Martes, Hunyo 24, taong 2025.
At yan ang mga balitang umarangkada ngayong araw. Ako si Minia Corpus.
At ako naman po si Jack Batallones para hindi mahuli sa usapan, kapit lang hanggang sa susunod na
Arangkada Balita.
92.3 FM Radio Manila.
Ka-vibes! Gusto mo bang manalo ng instant 500 pesos? Sali na sa Love Me Kathy G. Yes, the title promo. Tumutok sa programang Love Me Kathy G. Alas 12 ng tanghali hanggang alas 3 ng hapon. Araw-araw. Hulaan ang title ng tampok na kwento. I-text ang iyong kumpletong pangalan, location at GCash number sa 0916-563-1777. Hintayin ang aming announcement ng winner bago matapos ang programang Love Me Kathy G. Kung ikaw ang nakakuha ng tamang title, manalo ka ng 500 pesos. Siguruhing pangalan mo ang nakarehistro sa GCash number na iyong gagamitin. Love Me Kathy G. Yes, the title promo. Ito ay hatid sa inyo ng 92.3 FM Radio Manila. Your favorite music radio. Ka-vibes! 92.3 FM Radio Manila.
Di ba narinig nyo na, lalong-lalo na mga magandang musika? Di ba dyan nagtatapos ang ating mga pinagsamahang masaya? Mas pinapalawak para mga Pilipino kasama, naglilingkod dahil buong bansa ay iisa. Music Radio, di ka pinapakinggan kahit saan, kailanman. My favorite music radio, ang pinaka-maaasahan kahit saan, kailanman. My favorite FM radio, music radio, di ka pinapakinggan kahit saan, kailanman. My favorite music radio, ang pinaka-maaasahan kahit saan, kailanman. My favorite music.
Trending at bagong tunog at tugtog. Napapakinggan, umaga, tanghali, lalo na ngayong Mamiyang Gabi. Mamiyang Gabi, kasama si Mama Mia.
Joe with I Wanna Know. Check your time at 7:04. Time check brought to us by...
This time check is brought to you by nature-friendly, new technology, NewTek Dry Ice. Contact numbers 0908-883-7600 and 0917-323-1929. Thinking of starting your next home project? Don't just do it. Do it with Wilcon. As your trusted partner in home improvement, Wilcon Depot brings you top quality products, sustainable solutions, and excellent services through its more than 100 stores, helping turn every dream home into a reality. So whether you're a homeowner, builder, or contractor, visit your nearest Wilcon Depot stores or do it with Wilcon stores nationwide. Because with Wilcon, we build better together.
No matter the decade, no matter the vibe,
It's all here, from the electrifying anthems of the 80s to the unforgettable hits of the 90s. Your favorite hits of the 2000s. All the way to today's chart-topping tracks. Any generation, we got you. Lahat ng gusto mo, andito na. We are Eagle FM 95.5 for the love of music.
Energy, 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 energy!
Okay,
This song is brought to you by Fudgy Bar. Oh, bar sa sarap.
Girl, anong stasyon to? Eto, IFM nga ni.
Nice shot, Dad. Thanks, Donnie. It's hard to be the fun dad kapag malabong mata. Kaya I visit EO Executive Optical for expert eye care and state-of-the-art facilities. Kasi pag mahal mo, aalagaan mo. So if you love your eyes, visit EO Executive Optical.
For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Para di madaling masira ang ngipin ng pamilya, ngayon pa lang,
Unique toothpaste for brushing every after kumain.
Dahil ang Unique toothpaste, may Max Protect formula.
Ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa.
Helps stop cavities even before they start, while keeping breath fresh with regular use.
Unique toothpaste for brushing, para siguraduhin ngipin ay Max Alaga, Max Protektado pa. Unique
Max Alaga, Max Protektado with Unique toothpaste maximum fluoride protection. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS. Sis, ganda ng hair. Naka-Empress. Impressively smooth, shiny, and healthy with regular use. Naka-Empress? Nakaka-impress. Try mo na, sis. Be an Empress. For impressive hair, Empress Shampoo with regular use.
Empress Shampoo for impressive hair.
Ganda ng ngiti mo. Anong meron?
Pautang nga ni.
Anong stasyon to?
Ito? IFM nga ni.
Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumi mancha pero di masakit sa kamay. Tested ang competent polycotton sa mancha, malupit sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Original at natural na suplemento. With MX3 Coffee and tea. With MX3 With MX3 dito ako believe.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be MX-traordinary with MX3.
Sa panahon ngayon, kau ba'y sigurado? Kau ba'y protektado? Ang pamilya ay i-shield mo. Laban sa bakterya, i-shield mo. Laban ng patibay, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap. Patay ang 99.9% of bacteria and virus tested. Believe ang mga eksperto sa Philippine Nurses Association.
Sa sakit protektado, i-shield mo. Pamilya protektado, i-shield mo.
Shield Bath Soap, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
Idol, ngayong buwan ng June, huwag ka na doon. Huwag ka na doon. Sa tugtugan, meron para kay Papa. Meron din para kay Mama. At mga paborito ni Bunso. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pamimigay ng ayuda.
Romeo, nanalo ka na!
Maraming salamat po sa iyo. Saka po, siyempre po, kay Reyna Ivana. Ang laki ng po ngayon.
At maiiyak ka pa sa mga drama.
Mga hayop kayo ang bababoy nyo! Ano bang ginawa ng anak ko sa'yo?
Oh, huwag ka na dun. Huwag ka na dun. Dito ka na sa idol mong FM station 93.9 IFM. Ay, narinig ko na nga ni.
Kung ako ang tatanungin, ano ang radyo mo? Ang sagot ko ay FM, ang idol kong FM. Sa tugtugan, sa tawanan, idol ko ang IFM. Sa mga payo, sa mga kwento, idol ko ang IFM. Ang sarap makinig araw-gabi, idol din niya ko kasi. Kaya ang radyo ko ay FM. Ang idol kong FM ay FM 93.9.
At yun na nga, nagbabalik po tayo guys. So, kanina narinig ko yung signal natin medyo putol-putol. Liwanag family dyan sa Pasig. Good evening.